G'day cocktail lovers. I was in the supermarket the other day and I saw this freakishly blue Pepsi Max. And this hadn't even been advertised as far as I know. It was just there on the shelf and I thought, I love weird limited run flavors of various treats. Thought I have to try this. They just call it Electric. And I don't know how widely available this is even within Australia, let alone the world. As you can see, I have been drinking it. It definitely does not taste like normal Pepsi Max. It's kind of fruity flavor, artificial obviously, and the artificial sweetness has been turned up a couple notches as well, I think. As an aside, not an ad for Pepsi, not being paid. No, I paid for that. I thought it was interesting. But hey, Pepsi, if you wanna just, back a truck up, boxes of Pepsi in my house, not gonna say no. It's such a full-on color. It reminded me of Nuka Cola from the Fallout games. And I thought, yeah, I've got to make a cocktail with this. At the very least, it's going to look wild. I thought, I'm just going to keep this simple. So I'm going to make a version of a Cuba Libre where you would normally use cola in. This one's going to be blue cola. And normally you'd use like a light rum. I'm going to actually use this white cane spirit from Australian Distiller Bricks. Very yummy. And normally you'd put like a wedge or two of lime in a Cuba Libre and just squeeze it in. I'm just going to put some lime juice in when I make it, but I am actually kind of keen to see how this turns out, so I'll show you how I'm making it. I'm making this straight in the glass, my big rocks glass that's already got a big chunk of sexy clear ice in it. And first up, I'm putting 2 ounces or 60 mils of the white rum in there. Then I'm putting ½ an ounce or 15 mils of lime juice. And then I'm simply topping the glass with the blue Pepsi Max. Look at that! Just look at it! It looks radioactive. That color is intense. But what does it taste like? I mean, I can still taste the rum. I did taste the Pepsi Max earlier, and it wasn't bad at all. Honestly, think it's better with rum and lime juice. Just throwing it out there. So why not? Dive in, especially if you're a Fallout fan. Get some and just pretend you've got your own Nuka Cola. I legit recommend making a version of a Cuba Libre with it. Just rum, lime, and your Nuka Cola, and you've got a Nuka Cola Cuba Libre. What's the weirdest thing you have in your neighborhood? You might be somewhere in the world where you don't have that, but there's some other weird limited flavor. The beverage makers seem to do that quite a lot. I'd love to hear of what weird things you found. I found this weird thing, and if you come back for another video, I'll maybe have some other weird things. Always coming up with something new, and I would love to see you back here. Until I do see you again, I will say cheers.